How to terminate the waterproof shielded RJ45 Cat5e mod plug. Welcome to the TSOC Minute from Transglobal Systems of Canada. Quick and easy video tutorials using TSOC products. Head over to www.tsoc.com. Let's get started. How to terminate the MP RJ45 IPK-BK 25-2 IP67 Cat5e field plug. Materials required: MP RJ45 IPK-BK 25-2 IP67 waterproof shielded RJ45 Cat5e mod plug, black. Step 1. Place the connector parts onto the cable. Start with the small nut with threads facing towards the connector, then rubber seal, then large nut with threads facing towards the connector, then main body. Step 2. Please see video on how to terminate an RJ45 Cat5e 6 STP modular crimp plug, the TSOC Minute, Episode 14. Step 3. Assemble all parts together and slide towards the mod plug. Align the assembly where the mod plug can be inserted. Push the mod plug in all the way. Step 4. Once inserted, tighten the small nut into the assembly. This will create a compression fit, creating a watertight seal around the cable. Step 5. Unpeel the backing off the rubber seal sticker attached to main body of assembly. This rubber seal will make a watertight fit once connected to a coupler. Your assembly is now complete. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit www.tsoc.com.